Welcome back my dear children. In today's video, we are going to see about the multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number by a 1 and 2-digit number. Exercise 3.4, find the product. Let us find the product of 1243 and 7. Here we have a 4-digit multiplicand and a 1-digit multiplier. First, let us write them in columns. Here we have written the multiplicand and the multiplier in columns. We have mentioned the place value and the multiplication symbol also. First, let us start multiplying from the ones place. 3 sevens are 21. Let us write 21 over here. So this one will be written here and 2 will go as the carryover to the next position. 4 sevens are 28 plus 2 30. So 0 will be written over here and this 3 will go as the carryover to the next place value. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 3 17. So 7 will be written over here and 1 will go as the carryover to the thousands position. 1 sevens are 7 plus 1 8. So the product of 1243 and 7 is 8701. The next sum is 362 multiplied by 152. This is a 3-digit multiplicand and this is a 3-digit multiplier. So let us write them in columns first. Now 362 is the multiplicand and 152 is the multiplier. Now let us multiply the multiplicand with the digit in the ones place of the multiplier. So 362 into 2. We are going to do that. Start from the ones digit. 2 2s are 4. Next is tens digit. 6 2s are 12. So you have 12 over here. 2 has to be written here and 1 is the carryover over here. I am not going to write it because we still have 2 more digits to be multiplied. So let the 1 be here itself. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 362 multiplied by 2 will give you 724. Now let us multiply 362 with the digit in the tens place. So the digit in the tens place is 5. Since we are going to multiply the multiplicand with the digit in the tens place, we are going to put a 0 over here. Now 2 5s are 10. So out of 10 you have to write the 0 over here and 1 will be the carryover. Okay. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. 1 will be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 18. We can write 18 as such. Now the multiplicand will be multiplied with 1. Yeah, the digit in the hundreds place. Since it is the digit in the hundreds place, we have to place how many zeros? Hundreds has 2 zeros, so we have to place 2 zeros before we start to multiply. 2 ones are 2. 6 ones are 6. 3 ones are 3. Now let us add them. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 goes to the carryover. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 goes to the carryover. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So the product of 362 and 152 is equal to 55,024. Third sum, 7438 multiplied by 9. So this is a 4-digit multiplicand which is multiplied with a 1-digit multiplier. Now let us write in columns. 8 9s are 72. 72. 2 will be written over here and 7 is the carryover. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. So 34. 4 will be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3, 39. 9 will be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 7 9s are 63 plus 3, 69. So the product of 7438 and 9 is 69,942. Now let us multiply 3254 and 64. So this is a 4-digit multiplicand which is multiplied with the 2-digit multiplier. So 3254 into 4. 4 4s are 16. So let us write 16 over here. 6 has to be written over here and 1 is the carryover. Now tens position. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 1 will be written over here and 2 is the carryover. 2 4s are 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 will be written over here and 1 is the carryover. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. Now multiply the multiplicand with the digit in the tens place. Since we are multiplying with the digit in the tens place, we have to place a 0 over here. 6 4s are 24. So 4 will be written over here and 2 is the carryover. Tens place, 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 2 has to be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 2 6 are 12 plus 3, 15. So 5 will be written over here and 1 is the carryover. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Now let us add these two and find the product. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 plus 5, 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 goes to the carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. So the product of 3254 and 64 is 2,08,256. Our next sum is 658 into 548. Here both the multiplicand and the multiplier are 3-digit numbers. Now let us multiply 658 with 8 first. So start from the ones digit. 8 8s are 64. So 64, 4 will be written over here and 6 is the carryover. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 6, 46. 6 will be written over here and 4 is the carryover. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4, 52. 52 can be written as such. Now 658 should be multiplied with the digit in the tens place, that is 4. So we have to place a 0 before we start to multiply. 8 4s are 32. 2 will be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So 3 will be written over here and 2 is the carryover. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Now multiply 658 with 5, the digit in the hundreds place. Place 2 zeros since you are multiplying with the digit in the hundreds place. Start from ones digit again. 8 5s are 40. So 0 should be written over here and 4 is the carryover. And 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. 9 will be written over here and 2 is the carryover. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Now let us add them. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 2 goes to the carryover. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Here you don't have any number, so 0 plus 0, 0 plus 3, 3. So the product of 658 and 548 is 3,60,584. And our last sum is 9,684 multiplied by 97. A 4-digit multiplicand multiplied by a 2-digit multiplier. Let us write in columns. So here 9,684 will be multiplied with 7 first, since it is the digit in the ones place. Now 4 7s are 28. So 8 has to be written over here and 2 is the carryover. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. So 8 will be written over here and 5 is the carryover. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 5, 47. So 7 will be written over here and 4 is the carryover. 9 7s are 63 plus 4, 67. Now let us multiply 9,684 with 9, the digit in the tens place. So you have to place a 0 over here. 4 9s are 36. So 6 will be written over here and 3 is the carryover. 8 9s are 72 plus 3, 75. Let us write 5 over here and 7 is the carryover. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 7, 61. Let us write 1 over here and 6 is the carryover. 9 9s are 81 plus 6, 87. Now let us add these two. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 to the carryover. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 to the carryover. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 to the carryover. 8 plus 1, 9. So the product of 9,684 and 97 is equal to 9,39,348.
With this, we come to the end of exercise 3.4. Thank you, children.